Good afternoon. Around the house with Kay and Tom. I have 2 pork chops that I need to cook. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook them in my little Ninja oven because it is so much better on your heat. But like I say, you can bake them in the oven. It's just as good. It's just that this is a lot quicker. So I'm going to take my pan. I am going to cover it with aluminum foil because I am really a person that I'm not fond of doing a lot of dishes. So we're just going to do it this way, that way. Easy cleanup. I'm just going to take some butter and just run over my foil just a little bit. We're going to take 2 eggs. And we're going to beat these eggs up right quick. I'm going to set this pan out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. I've just got 2 eggs. I am going to take some seasoned breadcrumbs. We're just going to pour some in a plate. This has just some breadcrumbs. Take the pork chops and just dip them in my egg. Dip them over here in the breadcrumbs. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of Mrs. Dash garlic and herbs on it, just to give it a little flavor, different flavor. Flip it over. Make sure that it's coated. Lay it on my sheet, my aluminum in my pan. Wasn't that quick? Now that's nothing but 2 eggs. Dip your pork chops in it. Some breadcrumbs. And I put a little of Mrs. Dash garlic and herbs on top of it. I'm going to put them in my Ninja cooker and we're going to bake it at 375 for 15 minutes and look and see what they look like. And then I'm going to let my Ninja warm up just for a second. It takes it about 2 or 3 minutes. 75. Now, bake 15 minutes at 375. Okay, it just sounded telling me that it is preheated. So I have now got them in there. Here we go. Well, as you can see, it has just ended. So let's take it out and flip them over and cook them for 15 more minutes and then we're going to be done. Hold on 1 second. Now I have just turned them over. I'm going to put them back and cook them for 15 more minutes. And then they should be done. We will test them and make sure they're at 145 degrees. Now I have reset it for 15 minutes. Of course it's done jumped at 375. I turned them over and we shall see just as soon as they get through. Okay, my timer just went off. We're going to check the temperature and see if it's up to 145 degrees. Well, this was 145, and let's see this one. That was 145 also. Now I have my dinner. I have pork chops, string beans, and cranberry sauce. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I have pork chops. I dipped them in a beaten egg. I dredged them through breadcrumbs. Sprinkled a little garlic, Mrs. Dash garlic and herb sauce. Herb seasoning. And we are now ready for dinner. Ooh, that's a bone. I don't guess I can cut into that very good, can I? As you can see, it is really juicy and definitely done. And again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Come back and visit me. Join my channel. Give me your comments. Have a wonderful day.